ओम अखंडानंद संबोधो वंदनाद्यस्य जायते गोविंदं तमहं वंदे चिदानंदतनुं गुरुं शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वंदे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Sarva Vedanta, we are doing the topic of Shraddha. Through the method of Anvaya and Vyatireka, it is said when Shraddha is, knowledge will take place. If Shraddha is not there for Ajnani, then Samshayatma Vinashyati. He is a doubting person, he will be destroyed. Shloka number 215, page number 81 in English, 57 in Sanskrit. Deve cha vede cha gurau cha mantre तीर्थे महात्मन्यपि भेषजे च श्रद्धा भवत्यस्य यथा यथान्तस् तथा तथा सिद्धिरुदेति पुंसाम्. If a person has Shraddha in Deva, Veda, Guru, Mantra, Tirtha, Mahatma, Bheshaja means doctor, Antaha means Antakarane, in their Antakarana. If a person has Shraddha for any one of these, then in that field they will have Siddhi. Siddhi Pumsam Udeti. More Shraddha, more Siddhi. No Shraddha, no Siddhi. Shraddha is very important. Bhagavan says in Gita, Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. And also it is quoted here, Shraddha mayoyam purusho. Yo yat shraddha sa eva saha. As per one's Shraddha, that person is. Shraddha can be sattvic, rajasic or tamasic. So a person will become like that. You can take one example. Let's say mantra. Some mantra is given, upadesha, to do japa, to do some anushtanam. If a person does not have Shraddha, that mantra will not be efficacious. It will not give result. That is said in Chandogya. Yadeva vidyaya karoti shraddhaya upanishada tadeva viryavattaram bhavati. Whatever is done with vidyaya means understanding, shraddhaya with faith, and that faith should be upanishada means as per the shastra, Veda shastra. Then that shraddha purvaka done upasana with understanding will have great power, viryavattaram. Any karma. That is the siddhi. So if I have Shraddha, I will get good result. That's why it is important to do anything with Shraddha. Further, Shraddha is glorified. Astityevopalabdhavyam वस्तु सद्भाव निश्चयात् सद्भाव निश्चयस्तस्य श्रद्धया शास्त्र सिद्धया अस्तीत्येवोपलब्धव्यम् वस्तु सद्भाव निश्चयात् वस्तु सद्भाव निश्चयात् अस्तीति एव उपलब्धव्यम् तस्य सद्भाव निश्चयः शास्त्र सिद्धया श्रद्धया भवति. सो अस्ति इति एव उपलब्धव्यम् asti should be there for saguna brahma as well as nirguna brahma. In nirguna brahma, shraddha is very much required because it is beyond sense organs. Everybody doesn't talk about it also. So how will I know whether some such thing is there or not? So in that, sadbhava nishchay should be there first. And that sadbhava nishchaya, how will it come? Through shastra siddhaya shraddhaya. So shastra siddha shraddha will create sadbhava nishchaya. Sadbhava nishchaya will lead me to attaining that Brahma. So Kathopanishad also says, Asti ityeva upalabdhavya tattva bhavena chobhayo. Nishchaya about astitva. See, one is nishchaya about astitva. Another is nishchaya about asmi. I am Brahma. So here it is not that there is that I am Brahma. The Shraddha here is that there is some such thing called Brahma and I accept it. This is Nishchaya, Sadbhava Nishchaya. Through this, Asti iti eva upalabdhavyam sarvada vidyamanam iti evam prakarena jnatavya. That which is available all the time. Tasya aparichhinnasya nirvisheshasya niratishaya sukhasya. To that which is aparichinna sukha swarupa, etc., and without any qualities, that which is without any actions, without any triad, such thing is there. This Shraddha I will have from Shastra. Without that, I will not know. So I have to study in order to understand that wise people, sages, they talk about this. Therefore, there is some such thing. And that Shraddha, Shastra Siddha Shraddha, will lead me to Nishchaya. Kathopanishad says this Asti for both Saguna and Nirguna. Asti iti eva upalabdhavasya tattva bhava prasidhati. When I have this understanding, then the tattva bhava will become possible for me. It becomes favorable disposed for self-revelation. Therefore, tasmat shraddha susampadya guru vedanta vakyayoho mumukshoho shraddadhanasya फलं सिद्ध्यति नान्यथा। तस्मात् therefore गुरु वेदांत वाक्ययोः श्रद्धा सुसंपाद्या। Through Guru Vakya and Vedanta Vakya, Shraddha should be cultivated, acquired in both of them, in Guru Vakya, Vedanta Vakya. Mumukshoho Shraddadhanasya Mumukshoho Phalam Siddhyati Na Anyatha. For a Mumukshu who has Shraddha, he will get the Brahma Jnana Phalam, not the other ones. Nanyatha means na anyehi. In this way you should understand. Ashraddadhanasya na phalam. So Shraddha is very important. What is Shraddha Janana Karanam? What is that by which Shraddha will come? Yatharthavadita pumsam Shraddha Janana Karanam Vedasyeshvara Vakyatvat Yatharthatvena Samshayah. Pumsam, for people, Yatharthavadita Shraddha Janana Karanam. The one who is Yatharthavadi is Shraddha Janana Karanam. Yatharthavadita Putra Vedasya Ishvara Vakyatvat Yatharthatvena Samshaya. Yatharthavadi will be Veda. Why? It is Ishvara Vakya. Therefore, it is Yathartha. Veda is Ishvara Vakya does not mean Ishwar originated it. It was there, Ishwar revealed it. So there is a question here. Vedasya Ishwar Vakya kim pramana? Veda is Ishwar Vakya. In that, what is the pramana? The Veda alone is pramana. In Brahadaranyaka Upanishad, it is said, Asya Mahato Bhutasya Nishwasitam Etad Yad Rigvedo Yajurveda Samaveda Atharva Angirasa Itihasa Puranam Vidya Upanishad Shloka Sutrani Anuvyakyanani Vyakyanani. All of them are a breath of Brahma. So Brahma is Shastra Yoni, Shastra Yonitvat. Shastra se Yoni, it is the origin of all Vedas, other Shastras, etc. So, therefore it is Ishvara Vakya, therefore it is Yathartha, therefore it can create Shraddha. Means therefore it deserves to have Shraddha in it. Yatharthavadita is there in Veda. What other interest Veda can have? Veda is non-selfish. So if it says something, it is appropriate for us. Many people, because we don't know anything about Veda, Vedic traditions, so we might question. So it is said, you question other worldly things. People don't mind accepting all the other things as is. When it comes to Veda, Shastra, they will question 25 times. Muktasyeshvara rupatvat Gurorvaga pitadrishi Tasmat tadvakyayo shraddha Satam siddhyati dhimatam. Somebody says, okay, Veda is Pramana, so Shastra is Ishvara Vakya. What about Guru? Why should I believe Guru? He says, Guru is Mukta. Muktasya Ishvara Rupatvat. A Mukta person is like Ishvara. Therefore, Guror Vagapi Tadrishi. Guru's words are also like Ishvara's words only. Tasmat, therefore, Tadvakyayoho, Guru and Shastra Vakyayoho, Dhimatam Satam Shraddha Siddhyati. For a person or those people who are Buddhimatam and Satam Satpurusham, those who are wise, Viveki, they know that this world, how long it can take. I will not get much happiness. And any day, all this Sanghata can collapse, which we think, oh, everything is good, everything is fine. So, one must cultivate Shraddha in Guru Vedanta Vakya. Then, a person with the Shraddha, how it will come for Guru? Indriya Sanyamena. See, in Tika it is given. One should have control over senses. Then Chitta Ekagrata, mind should become focused. For this, you don't need Shraddha also. You just have to do it. When you do this, and then you are serving your teacher, Guru Shushrusha, then Shraddha will come. So, Indriya Sanyama, Chitta Ekagrata, then Guru Seva. Then the divine qualities will start increasing. And Shraddha will be Satviki Shraddha. It will not be short-lived. It will not be selfish. Taya Guru Vedanta Vakyayoho Pramana Buddhir Jayate. By that Shraddha, there will be Pramana Buddhi in Guru Vakya Vedanta Vakya. Pramana Buddhi means it cannot be falsified. Akatya Buddhi will come. With this, Shraddha topic is over. So we have seen Viveka, Vairagya, Shama. Under Shama, there is a lot of elaboration we saw, various topics. Then Dhamma, Shama Dhamma, Titiksha, Shraddha. And now Samadhana. Or Uparati. In Uparati, as part of Uparati, we saw Sannyasa and Jnana Karma Samuchaya discussion, Virodha, etc. Shrutyuktarthavagahaya Vidusha Vastuni Chittasya Samyagadhanam Samadhanamitiriyate Shrutyuktarthavagahaya Vidusha Vastuni Chittasya Samyagadhanam Samadhanamitiriyate. Shruti Ukta Artha Avagahaya Nye Vastuni Chittasya Samyagadhanam Vidusha Samadhanam Iriyate. Shruti Ukta Artha Avagahanam. Avagahaya means for knowledge. For the knowledge of the meaning revealed by Shruti scriptures about Nye Vastu, Brahma Vastu. Nye Vastu is Vishaya Saptami, seventh case for the subject matter, Brahma. Chittasya Samyak Adhanam. In that Nye Vastu, which is the subject matter of Shruti, I can put my mind. Chittasya Samyagadhanam. So then Nye Vastuni will become Adhikarana Saptami. I can put my mind. Putting mind in Brahma Vastu means thinking of Brahma. That is called Samadhanam. I am able to think of myself as Akarta Abhokta, Jnana Swarupa. This is said by Vidusha, wise people, those who know about the activities of mind. They know this is Samadhana. So if I want to cultivate the ability to control my mind, I can do that only if I have some control over my mind. Means the mind is willing to listen to me. And if it is well supported by the sense organs. Sense organs are rebellious, mind will not listen. I have to go on disciplining, then things will settle down. So we have already seen a lot in Shama Dama. You might have, if you remember, it's good. If you have forgotten, you visit those shlokas again. Chittasya sadhyaika parattvameva pumartha siddher niyamena karanam naivanyatha siddhyati sadhyamishan manah pramade vipala prayatnaha. पुमर्थ सिद्धेः चित्तस्य साध्यैक परत्वमेव नियमेन कारणम. For any success in any purushartha, the mind available to work on that task is the must criteria for success. Whatever I am doing, if I want to be successful, I should be completely available to that task, completely dedicated. This is called Chittasya Ekaparatvam, Sadhya Ekaparatvam. Sadhya alone is my goal now. This is Niyamena Karana. This is always the case. Anyatha sadhyam naiva siddhyati. Otherwise, sadhya siddhi will not happen. Ishadhi manah pramade, even if I do little bit of pramada, means I start relaxing, I become negligent, then all my efforts will go fruitless. Means suddenly I will feel I have not progressed at all after so many years. Prayatna will become viphala. Uktam hi acharya pravarahi lakshyachyutam chet. In Vivek Chudamani, this is a famous shloka. Lakshyachyutam chet yadi chittam ishat bahirmukham sannipatet tatastataha pramadatah prachyuta keli kandukaha sopan panktav patito yatha tatha. If I missed my lakshya, my goal, and chitta becomes bahirmukha, then it is like the ball, like a rubber ball or tennis ball. When it is jumping and it starts going down on the stairs, it will go all the way down. Like that, chitta will start falling. So one should be very careful in not taking up any such extroverted projects, activities. Chitta will become bahirmukha. Because you will have to think about, now I have to meet this person, I have to call that person, I have to do this. It will not be about Atma. So it is a waste of time. Chitta Samadhanam means I should be able to put that Chitta in Atma. Directly I cannot put in Atma, therefore I should do Shravanam, Atma Jnanam. Instead, I have to worry about so many Anatma things. So then that mind will go on falling. If a person has done some control and if he becomes extrovert, this is the condition. The person has never done any control and is always extrovert, where is the question? Chittan cha drashti karanam tathanya ekatra badnati lakshya bheta kinchit pramade sati lakshya bhetur बाण प्रयोगो विफलो यथा तथा. लक्ष्य भेदता चित्तम दृष्टिम तथा अन्यत् करणम च एकत्र ही निश्चयेन बध्नाति. एकत्र ही निश्चयेन बध्नाति. For a person who wants to shoot and hit the target, then mind and the karana, like eyes or whatever, they all should be in the same lakshya. If that person has pramada, instead of thinking about the goal, starts thinking about other things. Lakshya bhetuhu kinchit pramade. If little bit pramada he will do, then that arrow will go somewhere. Kinchit pramade sati bana prayogo vifalo bhavati. Vifalo bhavati. Vifalo bhavati should be in bold. Vifalo, only vifalo. Vifalo should be in bold. In the same way, here also, if I am not able to do Chitta Samadhanam, then I will lose the focus. I will end up somewhere else. That's why so many people go to ashram. Many of them, they can't survive. Because they have not prepared themselves. And many are there, they are prepared. But they don't have the prarabdha to live in ashram. So it is a two-way thing. There are some people, wherever they go, they will have problem. And they will say, this person, that person, this, something is problem. What is the secret? Secret is not that others are problems. They are the problem. They don't know how to work with people. Vedanta will be very difficult for them. Not in understanding, in application. They will never be able to apply Vedanta. On the other hand, a person who can work with anyone, anywhere, that person will be fine. Siddhesh chitta samadhana masadharana karanam yatastato mumukshunam bhavitavyam sada muna. यतः चित्त समाधानम सिद्धेः असाधारण कारण, since चित्त समाधानम is असाधारण कारण for चित्त सिद्धि or any सिद्धि, चित्त समाधान कारण is for सिद्धि, therefore मुमुक्षुणाम सदा अमुना भवितव्यम, अमुना चित्त समाधानेन. Therefore, a mumukshu should always have chitta samadhana. Means wherever my hands are, that is where my mind should. If it is somewhere else, I can damage myself. And if there is some raga dvesha or some dvandva, shita ushna, mana apamana, sukha dukha, I should not let my chitta get disturbed. अत्यंत तीव्र वैराग्यम फललिप्सा महत्तरा तदेतदुभयं विद्यात् समाधानस्य कारणम्. अत्यंत तीव्र वैराग्यम, two adjectives, not vairagyam. अत्यंत तीव्र, extremely intense this passion, and mahattara phalalipsa, extreme desire for moksha. Phala here is moksha phala. Tad etad ubhayam, these two are samadhanasya karanam vidya. If these two are there, chitta samadhanam will take place on its own. Extreme vairagya towards everything else, extreme love towards my goal. If I have these two, I will get my result. So Bhagavan says, Prashanta manasam hyenam yoginam sukham uttamam. A person who is a yogi constantly dwells on this Atma Sukham. Sukham comes looking for that person. Uttamam Sukham. Enam upaiti. Who is he? Shanta Rajasa, Brahma Bhuta, Akalmasha. And the next one is a famous shloka again. Atyanta Vairagyavata Samadhi Samahitasya Dridha Prabodha Prabuddha Tattvasya hi Bandha Muktir Muktatmano Nitya Sukhanubhuti. So Vairagya should increase. Bahirangam Shruti Praha Brahmacharyadi Muktaye Shamadhi Shatkame Vaita Tantarangam Vidurbudha. Brahmacharyadi Bahirangam Shruti Muktaye Praha. Shruti spoke about Brahmacharyadi sadhana, means yama, niyama, etc. as Bahiranga sadhana. On the other hand, wise people, they say Samadhi Shatkam is Antarangam sadhana. So yama, niyama, etc. they will discipline my life. Shamadamadi will make me available for Shravanam. This is the difference. A person can have yama, niyama, but they have to use that time for Shravanadi. So Shraddha, Gurukula Vasa, all this will make me available for Shravana. So Brahmacharyadi, they are given here in different Upanishads. Bhuya eva tapasa brahmacharyena shraddhaya samvatsaram Samvatsyatha. In Prashnopanishad, Acharya says to disciples who are rishis, who lived in their Gurukula, their ashram. Now they have come to Guru ashram. They say, here also you live with 1 year of austerity, brahmacharya, shraddha. Then you can ask questions. And brahmacharya means Gurukula vasa and also controlling senses, mind, etc. One should live. And satyam, tapaha, brahmacharya, samyak jnanam, all of them are must. That is said in Mundaka, satyena labhyas tapasahya atma, samyak jnanena brahmacharyena nityam. So when all of them are there, then a person can slowly increase Vedanta Shravana. Yadi Smritesha. Etat Samadhi Shatkam Buddha Vidwanso Antarangam Sadhanam iti viduhu. Wise people call this as Antarangam Sadhanam. Shanto Danta Uparataha, all this is also there. Earlier we have defined them. 2 more shlokas are there. We will complete this topic. Antarangam hi balavat Bahirangadyatastataha Samadhi Shatkam Jignaso Pravashyam Bhavyamantaram Antaranga Vihinasya Kritashravana Kotayah Na Phalanti Yatha Yodhu Radirasyastra Sampadaha. Antaranga Sadhanam is much more powerful than Bahiranga Sadhana. Since this is the case, therefore, a Jignasu must cultivate Samadhi Shatkam, Avashyam Antaram Bhavyam. Without Antaranga Sadhana, even if it does lot of Shravanam, person does lot of Shravanam, Krita Shravana Kotaya, na phalanti, it will not give any phalam. Just like Yodhuhu, a person who is a warrior, who is adhira, who doesn't have dhairya, ability to stay there in the war field and fight for longer. Astra Sampadaha, he might have some astra, but they are not fruitful. Na phalanti. So I need Antaranga Sadhana, Samadhi Shat Sampatti, and Viveka Vairagya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.